So I've already opened up the US Income Stats file and renamed it to 1-Income Stats. And what we're going to be doing is kind of creating a 2018 section here. And we're going to be modifying what we see in the 2013 section using a variety of text functions. So we're going to begin with clicking on A1. And you can either click on copy or press Control and C. And then we're going to go over to F1 and we're going to paste. So you can either hit paste or Control V. But right away after you paste, you do need to click on the Smart Tag arrow and select Keep Source Column Widths. And that'll kind of mimic the column widths that we see in A through D. And then to get rid of that animated marquee or marching ants, you just press Escape. Then what we're going to do is get our subtitle over here, but we want it to say 2018. So we are going to be using the substitute function for this. So we're going to go to Formulas and we're going to click on Text and Substitute. And the cell containing the text that we want to use is A2. So we're just going to key in A2. And the portion of that text that we want to change is 2013. And we want to change it to 2018. So old text is what is there, and new text is what we want to change it to. And you'll notice that we don't need to change all of the text, just the little phrase or portion that we don't want. So down here, it's actually showing us what this new phrase is going to look like. And we're going to go ahead and click OK. And the next step they want is to highlight F2 through I2. We're going to go to the Home ribbon and merge and center that. And we're also going to boldface. And then we're going to click on F3. And so what they would like us to do is retrieve what we see over in A3. And so they want us at first to use the lower function, and that will display the contents of the cell that we specify in lowercase. So we're going to do equal lower A3. So basically that's going to take what's in A3, display it here in lowercase. And now they would like us to change lower to upper. So now it's basically doing the same thing, displaying it in all uppercase letters. And at this point, they want us to click on F3 and use our fill handle and go all the way down to 54. And you will see that as we go from one row to the next, it is now grabbing the next cell down, displaying it in capitals, going to the next cell, and so on. And that way we're getting all of our states displayed in capital letters. So what we're going to be doing is kind of estimating the income. And so we're going to go over to H3. And they're estimating that the income is going to be the income from 2013 plus 7.3%. So we're going to start this little formula with an equal sign. And we're going to click over on C3. And then we are going to add. And in parentheses, we are going to take C3 again. And we are going to multiply that by 7.3%. Okay, so we're taking this value and adding in whatever 7.3% of it is. I'm going to go ahead and press enter. So that is our projected estimate. And we are going to click back up on that estimate, grab the fill handle and drag it down, and that'll give us an estimate for each of the states. And then we'll kind of click away. What they would like us to do next is select F3 through H3. And they would like us to apply bold and the orange accent 6 lighter 80% fill color. So this is not a style. This is actually over here under our fill colors. And it should be in the last column, second row. So we're going to go ahead and select that. And then we will click away and save our changes.